Hey everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, it's been a hot minute, huh? So, I'm still not ready to make videos, but I did feel like crafting the other day and I made a memory dex card. So it was really simple to make, but I did feel like crafting, which is a step up from what I was feeling before. There's been a lot going on in my world, like a lot, and I feel like things are finally starting to calm down a little bit, and I actually had the desire to craft. So I, took out a few things and thought I would make a memory dex card. So the paper that's in the background here was one that I had gotten when I was on the design team for ASC Crafts. And I'm still going to link ASC Crafts in the description box. I do not have a coupon code for you guys, but Michelle Randolph, Chantel Pennington, and Robin Pitts, they have coupon codes, and I will link their channels in the description box as well. So you can head on over there and grab it off one of their videos. So it was really simple to make. I did use my nesting dies from Surprise Creations. I've had this one for a couple of years now. You can see the egg that came out of the top part. And then I used some of that thick foam from Hobby Lobby, and I think this is the 5mm. So this is the part that comes out of the foam that I put in the middle to create the shaker. And my flowers were also from ASC. These little ones are from, I had gotten those, I don't know, quite some time ago from Hobby Lobby on clearance. And guys, this paper is actually not scrapbook paper. This is from Dollar Tree. They have poster board that is this color, and I grabbed a couple of sheets thinking, I can use that. So it is nice and sturdy. I did double cut these and so it'll be nice and sturdy. Glued them together and made the base for the egg. And see how pretty that paper is? Let me show you what that is. So the paper comes from Mente Written Memories, and it is this one right here. So I thought that would be really pretty for memory dex card that is less cutesy and a little more shabby. And guys, I love my shab. So I cut the back layer twice, and I cut the front layer for the memory dex, this one, I cut that twice, and then I cut the front layer once, and then of course it's got the acetate. So it is, like I said, a memory dex card, and I made it into a shaker. And the sides, this is 1/8 inch ribbon, and I just covered the sides with that ribbon just to make it look more finished. And then I put some ribbon on the top. This is sheer ribbon that I have in my stash. These, I want to say these come from Little Birdie Crafts in the boxes with flowers. And then, like I said, the roses. And then there's a tiny hip bud rose right there. Here's another one, another tiny rose. And then the big one, I want to say that one is from Prima. And then I tucked in another flower back here. And then the bow has a little gold center right there, just a little flat back right in the center. So I used some of the Spanish moss to fill that in, make it, a little more festive, if you will. Now I did use the stickles on the flowers, except this one. This one was already glittered. So I put stickles on all the flowers, the leaves, and I didn't coat them heavily, but just enough to create a sparkle. And I went ahead and put some on the little strands of moss, just so they would stand out a little bit more, and then on the flowers as well. So that is my memory dex card. Well, I thought, well, people would have a problem, you know, putting this down and writing information on there. So what I did was, when I cut this layer twice, and I left it open on the top, and on the top you just have to pull out your information card. This is the information card that you can use for name, address, and whatever information you put on your memory decks card. And I just tied a little piece of that sheer ribbon on there to be able to pull it out. And then you just tuck it back between the two sandwich pieces. And then there you go, it's hidden. Well, it's ready to go. There you go, guys. I hope you like that. I have little carrots in here. I have green, I have orange, I have gold. Trying to put there's tiny little rabbits in here. You can't see it unless you go really close. Let me find one for you guys. These tiny ones right here, they're tiny little sequin rabbit heads. So I just thought that was really cute. And yeah, so that was what I made when I felt like crafting. Guys, if you stuck around this long, I want you to know that I'm going to give this away. All you have to do is put a comment in the comment section, anything. I don't care what you put, but comment something. That way I know that you want to be entered in the giveaway, and I will get this mailed off to you in about a week. I am going to give this away. I will draw a winner on the 15th. I'm going to write that down right now. If you guys don't see a video where I choose a winner, guys, remind me. I don't mind you reminding me, but remind me. Just send me a little quick note on this video and say, hey, what about the giveaway? Because, you know, like I said, a lot has been going on in my world, and I may forget, but I'm gonna write it down, so hopefully I won't. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm still here. I'm still dealing with a lot, but it seems to be getting a little bit better. All right, guys, thank you so much. I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.